Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the details of the Sauder Carson Forge Vintage Rustic Computer Desk, a perfect blend of functionality and style for your home office. This desk, finished in a warm Washington cherry, features 3 smooth gliding drawers to keep your office supplies and files neatly organized, ensuring a clutter-free workspace. Its elegant rustic style, complemented by wrought iron hardware, adds a charming touch to any room, seamlessly blending with rustic, country, and even contemporary decors. The user-friendly design boasts a large top surface, providing ample space for your computer, lamp, and other essentials, making it an ideal choice for productivity. Measuring 53.2 inches in length, 22.6 inches in width, and 29.8 inches in height, this desk offers plenty of room without overwhelming your space. Whether you're setting up in a home office, living room, or a creative corner, this versatile piece adds both function and style wherever you need it. Crafted by Sauder Woodworking, the Carson Forge desk is not just a piece of furniture but a functional workspace essential that enhances the charm of your home office environment. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.